So everybody has been striving to get to that Industry 4.0 and get to what we call smart manufacturing, where it's really just a collection of data points to identify what's happening within the operation. The key to a digital twin is to actually allow it to consume that data and do something with it beyond just displaying a chart. So once we feed that data into what we're going to call the cognitive twin at the end, it's actually going to control data from the physical assets of the operation, not just from the data coming in from the systems. It's going to get the information from the people movement, how they're actually working. Now, we're feeding AI, we're using AI and machine learning to learn the basis of the operation, how it works. AI is going to help predict and identify how we can avoid the issues going forward. So, this is really our predictive twin. It's going to look ahead into the future and it's going to allow us to figure out how to be proactive in managing the operation. Now, all that together is going to use that generative AI to basically constantly modify itself. If you add a SKU or change the locations of the items within the warehouse, the digital twin will be able to know and adapt. It's constantly learning from these changes of the operation. That cognitive twin that's identifying, understanding the behavior of the operation, and helping you predict and constantly learning throughout the system. And keep in mind, integration is the heart of this. Data is also the heart of this. Frustrations will happen when things don't integrate correctly.
Yeah, that's why you need to use proven partners, people who have worked together, know what to do with each other, and provide the data that's necessary and deliver a great AI solution.
It all goes back to the issue of having single database information with WMS and ERP, and the twin together is essential. Otherwise, you have vendor working against each other, which result in business disruption.